Politics also continues to snowball in the entire matter. Both the TMC and the BJP have planned protests today, while Mamata Banerjee will be leading a protest seeking justice for the victim and demanding expediting the probe. The BJP has called for blocking of roads in all districts.
The BJP will also be holding a candle march till CM's residence in Kolkata. BJP has planned press conferences on Kolkata case in all state capitals, with Smriti Irani set to hold it in Bengal's capital. So multiple protests, one by the Chief Minister herself and by BJP as well. Now, remember, the BJP is highlighting lapses in the investigation, hitting out at the TMC government for handling the situation, and Mamata Banerjee will be demanding expediting the case, the probe rather, by the CBI.
कल दोपहर को 2 बजे भारतीय जनता पार्टी हर जिले में रास्ता रोको करेगी और उसके साथ साथ हम पब्लिक को आह्वान करेंगे कि आप 2 घंटे के लिए अपना पेन डाउन करिए, आप अपना जो व्यवसाय है, जो बिजनेस है, उसको बंद रखिए और सॉलिडिटी दिखाइए जो बहन के साथ दुष्कर्म हुआ है उसके न्याय के लिए। उसके साथ साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी कल से लगातार अवस्थान में शुरू करेगी और वहां पे मैं भी बैठूंगा, जरूरत पड़े तो पूरी रात रहूंगा, मैं पूरी रात रहूंगा उधर। और सारे नेतृत्व, हमारे विरोधी दल नेता शुभेंदु अधिकारी जी, हमारे पूर्व अध्यक्ष दिलीप घोष जी और बाकी जो नेता है, सबको इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए पार्टी की तरफ से आह्वान किया गया है और वो इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे।
Shreya is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Shreya, the BJP is going to hold protests. Not just that, press conference is lined up as well. Smriti Irani will be holding a press conference, I believe, in Kolkata.
Well, of course, we see there is a protest and counter-protest planned by both these political parties, TMC and the BJP. BJP is seeking justice for this victim of the Arjikar incident, while the TMC party is demanding capital punishment of this accused, and they are saying that the case has to be solved by Sunday. Now, as far as the BJP party is concerned, remember, they have said, Sukanta Majumdar have said that they're going to block roads in every district. In fact, they're going to sit down in a demonstration. Remember, Sukanta Majumdar, the State President Abhijit Ganguly, the former Calcutta High Court judge, and BJP MP, they will be all sitting down in a sit-in demonstration. Now, this is supposed to start from 11 in the morning. After that, we see that there is a march by the BJP Mohila Morcha. Remember, the Mohila Morcha president, along with Falguni Patro, they will be doing a candle march from Hajra Mode to that of the Chief Minister's residence. They will be asking for the Chief Minister resignation. Other than that, counter-protest by TMC is also planned. Remember, Mamata Banerjee herself will be hitting the street. She will be walking from Moulali crossing to Dorina from 4 p.m. today.